My friends have always called me a petrol head. I think I must be, because cars have always been important to me. And on my 17th birthday, no, the day before my 17th birthday, I said to my dad, don't organise anything for tomorrow. He said, why? Where are you going? I said, out with you for my first driving lesson.
Judy Parr has been motoring mad for as long as she remembers. But it's her 1967 230 SL Merc that's really captured her heart. Grab the defib machine, because the Mercedes SL is the kind of car that gives middle-aged men hot sweats and palpitations. Its pagoda-style hardtop roof is a design classic, but the fundamentals were pretty good too. It was launched with a 2.3-litre unit, but over time the engines got bigger. The rich and famous loved them, and that star status and iconic design means they're still highly sought after today.
I've had it for 31 years. People turn to watch it go past when you're driving. Yes, it's a big beast, isn't it? 6-cylinder. You put your foot down and it just goes. I'm selling it because I feel as though I'm not putting the time and effort into the car that it deserves. And I've decided that somebody else needs to enjoy it. Poor old girl. I've talked to various peoples about the value of the car. 50 would be disappointing, 60 would be better, and 70 or 80 would be way. So fingers crossed.
Derek's back on the road and has landed in Darlington. Judy's Mercedes will soon be on its way to Yorkshire.
Hello.
Are they?
How are you?
Oh, right.
Hello.
Hello, Derek.
Nice to see you again.
You too.
Yeah. Kettle on?
Yes.
Oh, good, good.
Piece of cake?
Super. Absolutely,
Biscuit?
yeah. You were a bit disappointed last time, you know, we never had tea and cake.
I know.
I know.
You were down
We were
the
so
road.
busy, weren't we? Right, well, we're going to start it up now. So are the keys there?
Yep.
So you've had it 31 years? Yeah. And it was painted before then?
Yep.
Well, ain't done so bad then, has it? That's good.
No.
Good show. Lovely. Nice colour, isn't it?
Yes. The only colour.
Well, they suit white, don't they? And it still smells like a Merc, doesn't it? That's a good sign, that.
So the looks and smells are good. What about how this beauty sounds?
I bet I wouldn't mind betting it'll want a system, you know.
It's what?
I think it'll want a system, full system.
That's not a growl. That's a noise that shouldn't be there. It growls. I should have driven it onto there. I never thought. I just watched it go, and then I thought I should have done that. I would probably have pranged it.
Lovely.
With the car loaded, now comes the real highlight of this or any trip.
Right, it's tea time. Yeah.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Lemon drizzle Swiss roll by the looks of it, and that, bang on. Value-wise, we were aiming for 50-ish, weren't we?
60.
60, right. I'm going to probably start at around the 40. Now.
Right.
And go on and see where it goes to. We'll make it look nice and bright. And the lads will give it a clean up and clean the chrome and all the rest of it, and just make it look pretty sparkling.
Yes.
With the I's dotted and the T's supped and crossed, it's time to head off home.
lovely to meet you.
Good to meet you. Yes.
And look after yourself. Super to see you again.
You too.
We'll keep in touch.
Take care of that knee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
It's going to appeal to the well-dressed man about town that he would walk in here in a lovely pair of slacks and go straight to that. It looks to be quite a mellowed car. It's the condition of car that would normally be attractive to me because it looks like that car hasn't been messed around with, which is the way to buy them. You want one that hasn't had massive restorations in the last few years, in my opinion. But you see that in there, that looks quite mellowed. And that does not put me off in any way, shape or form. That is what you see is what you get. It feels a real genuine car that's obviously been kept on top of. All we need to find is 2 or 3 buyers that just want a very nice, genuine example of one of these, and then we've cracked it.
And when Derek does a road test, he's smitten.
Feels lovely. Lovely gearbox, lovely clutch, lovely steering. Absolute pleasure.
How do you think the next owner's going to feel about this?
Oh, he's going to love it. The only problem is he's got to find 50 grand. That's the only downside. But there is some quality attached to her, no doubt about it. Lot number 49 in the Land Rover Discovery 4x4 mirror set. There we are. Where are we going to be on that? You tell me. That's what it's got, a mirror set in a tyre. £100 then, 110, 120, 120, 120 non-sale and sold. Oh, 120 then, hammer's coming down. It's going to go at £120. It's gone. There you go, Ash.
Back in Pickering, it's auction day.
What number are we on?
And Judy Parr is watching her beloved Mercedes Pagoda go under the hammer.
67 Mercedes 230S. Now, this is the kiddie.
She's coming on now.
The roof, hard and soft tops, as you can see. Last owner, 32 years. How about that? Going to submit the best bid on the day today. £42,000. Can I say
43.
43. I've got. So 43, 44, 44. Way undervalued. 45,000 submitted. 46. I've got 46 here, mate. 46. 47 I've got. Beautiful, beautiful, genuine car. 48. 48,000.
Right, you want to go 49?
Internet, 48.
Do you want 49?
He knows
49,
what it's all
yeah,
about. 49. 49,000. 50,000.
Right,
Internet. £50,000. Cheaper than an E-Type, and it shouldn't be. 51. 51,000. We get an answer virtually straight away. 52. 52,000.
53. There's only 2 of us bidding.
52. 53. Alan's telephone. Submitting it then, 53,000.
Keep going, Derek.
Are we all done? 53,000 on the telephone. Internet, you're out, sir. Thank you for your bidding. 53,000. 53,000 on the telephone and going now. Last time looking round, I'm going to submit it. 53,000. Alan's telephone. 53 for the first. Second, third and last time. Provisional. Submitting it. 53. Alan's phone. 53. Thank you for your bidding, gentlemen.
I hoped for a bit more. I think the car is so special and there's so few of them. Don't know what to do now. See what Derek says.
So, yeah, 53, it's, I don't know what you think, but it's sort of what we were talking about
Well,
before.
it's going towards it, isn't it,
Yeah,
what I
yeah,
said.
yeah.
But if he would go to 55, then I might say yes.
OK. OK, fine, I'll talk with him. What he's got the option to do then is say, no thanks ever so much, put the phone down. You're aware of that. So he
Right.
could back out straight away,
Yes,
like that.
yeah.
I mean, I'll just have a word with him and tell him quite honestly that, you know, we were hoping for 60,
yeah.
but, you know, we'll take 55 and let's try, shall we?
The difference is split at 54,000 and the deal is done.
No problem. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.
You can tell by what Neil Morris has on his drive that he's no stranger to a classic car. Or two.
It starts literally first time. It's fabulous. German technology, perfect. It's got quite a throaty sound, but that's the stainless steel exhaust, which is brand new.
And now he's the new owner of the 1967 Mercedes Pagoda.
You then got speedo, rev counter, the oil pressure is excellent. Stereo, original, that doesn't work, but we can have a look at that. And a clock, which doesn't work. Everything else functions, yeah, perfectly. 82,000 miles. And it's got all the old MOT, so that's all original. I'm actually a car dealer, but normal cars, run-of-the-mill cars. But I've always had a passion for classic cars, and I indulge that by spending way too much money in buying cars I fancy. I've had a Pagoda before, but it was a 4-speed one, and I found it sort of run out of legs, to coin a motoring phrase. And this one is a 5-speed, factory 5-speed, and it made such a difference to how it drives. I replaced the grille, the chrome grille. That was all dented and looks so much better. The rear bumpers, they're all new chrome. And the boot is all perfect. It's incredible condition for a 57-year-old car. It's beautiful. That huge, great Mercedes badge in the middle. Those long lights look so 60s. It looks proper, glamorous 60s. So you can imagine Brigitte Bardot in a car like this, driving along the French Riviera. Great condition underneath. You can see it's all original colours. It was white with black from the factory, and the engine bay looks really good condition. These engines are just bulletproof. A car of its age having no oil leaks is amazing. In the 60s, when it was made, so few were sold in England because they were so expensive. I mean, it was the price of a nice house. So a lot of the Mercedes market went to the States. So there's lots of left-hand drive ones, but few right-hand drive, and even fewer 5-speed right-hand drive. A handful. I've seen only maybe 1 or 2 others available. I don't ever take them out in the rain. I've discovered all classic cars leak.
And with a penchant for the occasional Pagoda purchase, it's a good job his family are all on board with the new arrival.
I didn't really mention it too much until it arrived. Better to ask for forgiveness than permission, I often find. She's a car lover anyway, so it's not too much of a problem. But I'm tempted to keep them. It's only if I get offered the right amount of money will tempt me to sell it. Yeah, I'd love to keep them all, really. I'd like to be a Bournemouth Jay Leno. It's a beautiful car. When you drive it, it just gets universal appreciation. Everybody loves it.